Where is Clipboard on Android? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So open any of the browser or app where your keyboard pops up. After your keyboard is popped up, you in this taskbar section or this menu bar section, you will find this clipboard kind of icon over here. This is where your clipboard is. All your copied text will appear over here. If you cannot find it in this bar, simply tap on this three dot and you will find it over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.